对不对，爱情？
Shalay! Galunggong! 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 Gong! Galunggong! 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 Hug!
Smells so good, smells so good, smells so good, smells so good, smells so good.
Grabe, trending na trending ngayon yung mga ginagawa ng ibang content creator, yung tinatawag na AI TikTok Live. Okay? So, AI or Artificial Intelligence. Ito yung nag-a-act sila na parang robot. Okay? So, ngayon, explain ko kung paano ba sila. Okay? Paano ba sila kumikita dyan? Ano bang kailangan nilang gawin? Okay? So, eto, panoorin muna natin yung sample ng AI na talagang natawa ko nung napanood ko siya.
Give it the right! Give it the new! Junior Brax! Give it the right! Cinco kaka! Oh, Cinco kaka for the sending corgi! Let's go, guys! 2 corgi! 2 corgi! 2 corgi! 18/20! Let's go! 2 corgi! Cinco kaka!
Ito yung ang daming nagsisend ng gift.
Hindi ko na kayo, guys.
Pagod ka, nakakahol.
Why are people acting like robots on TikTok? A TikTok creator by the name of Pinky Doll went mega viral for acting like an AI and saying a different phrase for each gift she gets.
Ice cream so good. Yes, yes, yes. Grab, grab, grab.
Now the gifts people are sending is real money, and when you end your TikTok live, you can see how much money you made in total from that one session. Apparently Pinky Doll made $2,000 to $4,000 each live. Lately her lives have increased in views with about 60,000 people at once. She even got the attention of celebrities like Timbaland, who made a remix to her sound and was her top gifter.
Timberland! Timberland in the building! Ice cream so good. Ice cream so good.
And Cardi B, who used her as a meme on Twitter. You know the old saying, if 1 million people sent me $1, I'd be a millionaire? Well, that's kind of what's going on here. The gifts can range from 1 penny to even $500 and more. She is said to be making at least $100,000 to $200,000 a month.
Balloon.
This got everyone on TikTok acting like an AI robot and responding to the gifts they receive.
So ayun, si Pinky Doll, yung isa sa pinaka-sikat na nag-AI TikTok Live. So imagine kumikita siya ng $200,000 a month. So katumbas nun sa pera natin, nasa 11 million mahigit. 'Di ba? Grabe. So ayun, kumikita pala sila sa pamamagitan ng mga gifts or virtual gifts na sinesend sa kanila. Kung saan pwedeng papalitan nyo ng diamond at yun, pwede na nilang ipalit sa totoong pera. Okay, kaya naman pala grabe, trending na trending kahit dito sa Pinas yung nag-AI TikTok Live. At mostly nang napapanood ko niyan talaga marami sa yung mga Japanese. Kasi 'di ba sila parang mukha talaga silang mga mukhang robot, 'di ba? Pag gumalaw sila. So ayun, dito sa Pilipinas ang dami na rin gumagawa niyan. At ayun, kung meron kang ganyang talent, 'di ba? Mag-aaka na parang robot. And then yung sasabihin mo or yung gagawin mo nakadepende dun sa gifts, okay, na i-send sa iyo. So kung kaya mong gawin 'yon, ayun, mag AI TikTok Live ka na rin. So yun lang, I hope na nakapag-share ako ng isa na namang valuable content, okay, dito sa channel ko. So make sure na naka-follow ka sa YouTube channel ko, and of course sa TikTok ko din, sa page ko. Search nyo lang Kelvin Clint Quinto. Thank you!